Hello, hello. My name is Olivia Michael, and I am your basic needs rep from your college council. I just wanted to pop on here today and tell you a little bit more about our upcoming project, Quarantine Cooking. But first, I just wanted to say I know that this has been a very tough quarter for many people, and I just want you to know that I'm here if you want to talk about anything basic needs related or not. Please, please, please feel free to reach out. I would love to listen, to talk, anything that you need. So please just know that I'm here for you. But for now, let's talk about quarantine cooking. So, the goal of this project is to spread budget-friendly recipes among the MUIR community and create a place where MUIR students can interact despite the quarantine. MUIR students can learn new recipes and combat food insecurity all at the same time. So, how do you enter? So, MUIR students will submit a recipe of their favorite budget-friendly meal. Once they submit the recipe, they will be added to our Basic Needs Cookbook. More on that later. Everyone that submits an idea will be entered to win a gift card, and drawings for the gift card will happen weekly. There will be 5 $25 gift cards given out from week 6 till the end of the quarter. The winners will be announced over an Instagram Live and sent a virtual e-grocery gift card. When presenting the winners, I will also highlight that week's recipe spotlights and spread more information about basic needs resources on the UCSD campus. So you should follow and learn more about basic needs and ways that you can find support on the UCSD campus. So let's talk about the important part, winners. So as I mentioned before, winners will be selected from this Friday of week 6 until the end of the quarter. So every single Friday, all of these dates right here, 5 winners will be selected on every single Friday. And every single winner will be emailed a $25 gift card. So that is a lot of winners. Yeah, a lot of winners. So if you want to know if you won, then you should follow MUIR Remainers and keep your eyes peeled on Friday afternoon to make sure that if you win, your name is announced, and then I will send you an email with your gift card. Simple as that. So be sure to follow MUIR Remainers and be sure to have your recipes in by Friday morning so you can be entered into the drawing for Friday afternoon. So how do you submit your recipe? If you click on this link, you'll be taken to this document, this Google form, that explains more about how you can submit your recipes. Here is a bunch of instructions on how to do it, and then here is a couple more tips about how you can get extra points, which we all want. But basically, you're just going to be giving your name, your email address, and your recipe in PDF form. More on that later. Pictures, videos, did you remake someone else's recipe because you can get extra points for that, and just that you agree that we can use the media that you create and put it on our social medias and websites. So, the recipe document. If you click on this link here, it will bring you to this general document that I've created that everyone should use to enter their recipe. Please, please, please make a copy of this document, file, make a copy, and keep the title the same, copy of Quarantine Cooking MCC, but then use the title of your recipe. And then all you're going to do is edit it so that it has your picture, your title, your ingredients, your preparation, your tips, and how long it takes, how many it serves, how much it costs, and of course your name so we know who did it. And it's as simple as that. Once you've created it, just download it as a PDF and then submit it via this Google form. So, what am I going to be doing with all of these amazing recipes? I've actually created a virtual e-cookbook via a website. So, MUIR College Council Basic Needs now has a website that you can visit whenever you want. And on this website, we will be creating a virtual cookbook together. So, the goal is to have all of our recipes on this cookbook so that we can look back, create recipes together, constantly edit and update, and just create this cookbook that provides budget-friendly, happy recipes that you can try out whenever you want, and people, MUIR students for years to come, can come back to and look at and contribute to and be a part of. I just thought this would be a really awesome way to have this, to just join each other and bond over our love of food for years and years to come. So that's the whole project. If you have any questions, concerns, feel like you just need to talk to me about this, you are so confused, please, please, please email me at mccbasicneeds@gmail.com. I am always here to answer questions, whatever concerns you may have. So Thank you so much for listening to my presentation. I cannot wait to see your recipes and happy cooking. I'll